Bitcoin is steps away from breaking that $75,000 just ceiling. It's going to crash through. Artemis 2, look out. I know you're on your way back. It might jump up and grab your tail fin. This is looking beautiful, folks. I'm going to go over the call option that I made. I released to everybody yesterday. Pure fire, instant returns. Everybody should have been eating. This thing was beautiful. And man, check out the charts on this. You got Bitcoin running up. And I know there's a little bit of wavering in the beginning today. You guys were looking here. What happened, Bitcoin? Oh, Mo, I thought you... Oh, okay, Mo. Self high five. And guess what we're having for dinner tonight, guys? Right here. This is an old-fashioned bear burger. Threw it on the grill, grilled it up, put a little American cheese on this bad boy, toasted up the bun a little bit, a little butter on there because we're not fooling around. Pickle on the side, we're not animals. And some Middlesworth potato chips and an ice cold Coke or Pepsi. Your call. Maybe a water. We're going to watch your waistline here. But this worked out. So what's the play I gave you guys? Where did I feed you? Boom, pull it in. I brought this up yesterday. All right, so if you guys appreciate that, hit the like, hit the subscribe. Let me know if you have rode with me on this down below in the comments. We had the Grayscale Bitcoin Mini Trust. This is one I liked. And I'm going to show you the exact play I've been using to make bank over the last year. This is one of the biggest ones we use in the Discord. It's been fire. So the Grayscale Mini, I bought 5 contracts. Look at the days. I still got 35 days left on this. I gave it time to, like a fine wine, I gave it time to ferment, to turn itself into what I would like. And it did. And it took all but one day. It took 24 hours, I think 24 hours, to do what I needed to do. I brought this up yesterday. Yeah, we did it yesterday, at the end of the day. And it just hit, the indicator hit, everything hit, and I was like, okay, this is perfect. $2.40, it's up 70 cents. That is a little over 40%. So you made 40% on anything you put in there. If you put in 10 G's, you got 14 G's. Now I put in, not that. I usually do about 1,000 a play. This one was only 850, but I still made my $350 in profit now overall. Very happy with that. So if you have done well with that, let me know in the comments. Let me know you want to see more of these plays because I am willing to share with the entire YouTube universe how I am doing this and what plays I'm doing. But you need to let me know and subscribe. So here we go. What do we got? This is the one I brought to you. So yesterday, I want to show you the exact strategy I'm using. And a lot of people out there don't have the time to do all this. Well, I do. And I am going to help you eat. I am going to help you get the plays you want. You want the best plays out there. And you might say, I don't play options. You don't have to. This can be a normal play of a stock. This can be a normal play of crypto. What the setup was, and it was a good one, and we're not even done with it, it was the Stockmo Trio. Now, it failed right here. It actually did not trigger, but by the time the end of the day was, it was there. So I took a little bit of a risk and thought, hey, we're going to do this because you know why? The 5 crossed and the 13's about to. So for me, this is another one of the big ones I like to trade. So we almost had the Stockmo Trio, big green, little red, green finishes above. It didn't though. It reversed. It pulled back a little bit and then the takeoff. This also is another one I like to trade. The 5 crossing, it stayed above the 5. Beautiful. Confirmation now today by 7 o'clock. We will have this confirmed today, which sets us up for a beautiful weekend. So I like this, and even if you're playing the crypto, it ran as expected. If we look at the actual cost, if we look at the, let's go in here and pull it up on Coinbase. Look at the cost we got right now. It's a 73.23. So 73,230 bucks. That's fantastic. All right. We're closing in on the big line in the sand. And you can say, what is that line? I'll tell you right now. You break this, it is moon time. And it's right there. So once we break this resistance, that resistance roughly, let's say 75,000. We finish above 75,000. We confirm above 75,000. Buckle up, kids. Grab the rope. Put on the life vest because we are going flying. We need to break this and confirm. And look at this power. And I know what everybody's saying. You're looking at this going, what's going on, Mo? What's happening here? What happens to be the trouble? We got Iran, We got the U.S., we got Israel, we got all the ceasefires, some no ceasefire, but now we have negotiations between Israel and all the Lebanon and everything is going on. U.S., Iran, all these. And at the end of the day, it's fragile. A lot of countries absolutely want this thing done. I know people out there are under this, they're hearing the rhetoric and they believe it won't get done. I am on the side, it will get done because the world is clamoring for it to get done. They want oil prices back down. It's affecting everybody and everything. And so it's not if, but when it will be done, and it won't be long. I believe it'll be over here in the next few weeks. Now, I could be wrong, but I'm going to follow the charts. The money talks. Remember, we have been watching this. And you can sit there and say, what do you mean the money talks? I don't listen to the words anymore. They are trading behind the scenes. So much so that there has been trades made on the prediction markets minutes before the actual announcements. So it's not a secret that the money is moving before the announcements. So I'm no longer waiting for the announcements for my community. My Discord's going to know when I know, and it's going to be based on these technicals. Now, I gave everybody the technicals already, and we're already eating on this. We are doing great. The new Earner Plus is loving life. And I'm telling you this is one where you can say, when did you know? Right here. You get access to this indicator. Look at this right here. Boom! We got the big sign. But Mo, what do you mean? 5 crossed to 13? Look what happened the next day. Up we go. Now, how's that happen? Because big money knows what's going to happen. The connections to those in the government, and they know what's going on. They're already moving money in. And so I'm not going to wait for the Clarity Act to pass. I'm not going to wait for ceasefires to happen. I get positioned when the indicator gives me the notification as well as the technical setups that I need. This technical setup right here was almost one of the best I've ever seen. It did close slightly below the prior candle, which invalidates my stock Mo trio. If it would have finished right here or above, I would have loved it even more. Now I'm already in, I took my risk, and it paid off. So at this particular moment, I'm going into the weekend expecting low liquidity, but a very bullish market. So I'm expecting to get through this weekend with a little bit of love. That we continue to see more pressure higher. Where do I believe we're going to go? I will tell you bluntly, we just broke right here. So now I actually think we're going up to 75,000 as our next stop. I believe next week my options that we bought will be loving life. I believe. Now, I didn't take any profit today. I probably should have. We're up 40%. I tell people at this point, when you get up that 25 to 50%, sell half of your place. Make sure you take advantage of that. Lock in the profit. Set a stop on the remaining ones so you can limit the downside and hopefully even keep it in profit. You know, hey, I'm up 40%. If it hits the 20% mark, I'll sell the rest. And that's a great way to do it for people. I have less than 16 for all the people, the thousands of people in the Discord, less than 16 in there. It does go over when to buy and sell in terms of taking profit or stopping a loss. That was one of my biggest lessons I ever taught. I have, what do we got now? Holy cow, is it up to 38? It's 38 learning lessons. So you guys want to check that out. First link down below. Now, as we continue to watch this was the big thing I wanted everybody to understand, and I know you're watching it. But what about XRP? Something big just happened, XRP family. I don't wear the hat just because it's good looking. I wear it because, look, we got ourselves an opportunity. And this is the one I've been kind of waiting for. I told you I'm waiting for the 5 to cross the 13. You see this little thing right here? This is the last time it happened. It was all the way back to March 13th, almost a month ago. And it's been that long. And we crossed over. Look what happened after that. We went from $1.38 and we spiked all the way up to $1.60. Massive gain. Massive, about 20%. Real nice gain. And now we're all the way back down here, and look what just happened today. This candle should hold before we get to the next candle. That would be a confirmation of the 5 crossing the 13. Beautiful. RSI crossing above 50. This is just a good-looking thing. And so what I'm looking for is a nice confirmation candle over the weekend, and we should, by the end of this weekend, be back up to the 137 mark. We need to confirm above here and then the 50 EMAs next. But here's the big news. On the 13th, we are hoping, expecting, maybe praying for Congress to come back, Senate to come back, And for Senator Tim Scott, listen to me, I'm yelling. I need you to schedule that markup vote for the Clarity Act. Get the banking committee in there. Do what you do. Get the votes from both sides. Go across the aisle. Sing Kumbaya and get it done for us. Because once we get to that point, once we are announcing the Clarity Act markup vote, that's just the committee vote. That means they got the votes. And if they got the votes in the committee, it means they got the votes for the entire floor of the Senate. If they got the votes for the entire floor of the Senate, that means the only thing we got to worry about is the House accepting the version that the Senate will pass. So the markup vote is that big. But they could do an up-down vote in the House, take it or leave it. If it's 50.1% up, we can send it directly to the president. Now, I don't know how that's going to work. There's a lot of people out there arguing that they don't want it changed so much, this, that, and the other thing. I believe it would get to the president before the end of June, and the markup vote starts everything, and that's on the 13th. Now, I've been told they're shooting to hopefully announce on Monday a markup vote for sometime during the last 2 weeks of June. If they do not, the goal is by the end of the week. If that does not happen, the odds of passing the Clarity Act start to absolutely drop dramatically. And I just want you to know this. I'm not going to pull any punches. If I don't get by next Friday an announcement, by Friday night, midnight, next week, I absolutely believe we're in some very big peril. Not looking good, okay? But if we do, hold on here. Let me pull up Ethereum. Let's take a look here. What do you think? 5's crossing over, 13's about to. What do you think's going to happen right here? We just crossed this little line in the sand that I had. And if we confirm tomorrow, we can go, how high do we go, Mo? 24.41? That's my next line if we confirm above that resistance. What about here? I know, that was a line. We can put that. I believe we are going to break that, but that is a major resistance as well. I'm not going to discount that. That line there is 23.50. So we'll say this zone's where I think we wick into. Will we be able to break it? That all depends. If there's no Clarity Act announced, probably not. But maybe. I'm not going to go against. Remember, the SEC and the CFTC have been holding hands, dancing in the rain together and having fun, and they're even moving in together. I think they put a ring on it. You might say, what do you mean, Mo? Here's what I'm hearing is that the CFTC may be moving its office in with the SEC all together in one place to get the decisions revolving around all the securities, commodities, all that quicker. They can just, hey, we're in, come on, let's go. And that's it. So that's massive. And if that's the case, you got 2.5 years left minimum of them being crypto friendly. If the Clarity Act passes, folks, just buckle up. Crypto's about to go we're going up. We're going to join the Artemis 2 and Artemis 3. And I'm telling you, you're going to enjoy the ride. So I'm pretty pumped about this. I hope you are too. But more importantly, I want to give some shout outs to some of the people in the Discord. I'll show you some of my plays. So this is the one I showed you just now. It's up 40%, up $348. It was a good day. So shout out to Front Options, one of our expert traders in there. He was a nice little 50% win. Zebulon. I don't know where you're from, Zebulon, but man, you're killing it. You're killing it. It's doing well. Hail Boy, once again, another win. Front Options, one of our expert traders, killing it. 111% up on his play. Kugamunga, another win. Let's go. I love it. And then what was this? Oh, this was me. I do these live trade sessions and teaching twice a week, 3 times a week for the Earner Plus tier. That was a good one, 2,200 up. It was a rough ride, but man, we did make it. Now, if you're not in there, first link down below, come on over and join us. Boom, boom, boom. Hit join now. Use code BREAD. And you could save 10% forever. And I would challenge you to come on over before we get all the new members. We're going to have live traders in here, a ton of people in here, and then the price is going to change. So if you get in now, you're grandfathered in forever. So come on over and check that out. All right, folks, that's all I got for you. Let me know how much money you made on your top play today. I like talking to you guys. I'm going to comment on everybody that comments down below. I'm going to comment back to you. That's what I'm going to do tonight. That's the fun I'm going to do. So write something down below, ask a question. I will write back to you. All right, I appreciate it. I'll see you in the Discord. Be sure to like and subscribe. Now let's get out there and make some money.